Okay, guys, we are going to do a review of the themes of myths. Okay, for every one of our stories, one of the questions was to tell the theme of the story. All right, remember the theme is the big picture, kind of the lesson, kind of the moral, kind of the overall feeling of the story. Okay. Sometimes it's a one-word love or friendship, or it could be kind of a lesson, right? All right, so this is what you're going to do. You are going to come over here and play this game. This is a review, all right? So 3, 2, 1, ta-da, there we go. Now, the screen is not very big, so I'm going to scoot around just to show you. Across the top, you're going to have the themes all the way across the top. You can't see it all here, but it's all the way across. All right. Now, some of these will look a little bit different. Justice will always win. Okay. That's a great theme. There are consequences for disobeying. That's a great theme. All right. Hard work is rewarded. That's a great theme. How spiders came into the world. Not usually what we think of as a theme. However, you know, with different wit and wisdom, they considered that a theme. Keep in mind, you know, the difference between MAP and ACT Aspire. Sometimes they ask a question differently. Sometimes they use different words than we're used to. That's the way we're going to think about this one. All right. So what you're going to do is the themes are all across the top. The stories will be, you'll scroll down. If I can scoot this over, you'll scroll down and see the names of the stories. So you're going to drag and drop. All right. Demeter and Persephone. All right. Let's see. Was it Justice Will Always Win? Was that the theme for that one? Nope. Okay. The fun part is you won't get it wrong because it won't let you. All right, but it's a good practice for us. So Justice will win. That won't work. Okay. Well, how about How We Got Fire? Nope, that won't work. How We Got Seasons. Ta-da! It will keep it if it's the right answer. Okay. Now it also times you. I don't know if you can see it here. Whoop, wrong one. It will time it. It gives you time, so you can try it several times and see what your best time will be. All right. So let's go back to our slide. Here we go. So you are going to watch me play around with the screen. Okay. So you're going to do this multiple times, guys. Play it over and over again. When you get to the bottom, when you've done all of the stories, at the bottom it will be a list of the name and the theme out to the side, so you can kind of review them. Go over it several times before you actually do the edge elastic, which is on the next slide. Okay, that's going to be kind of our summative where we'll see how we do on those. So play this game several times. Okay, all right, bye.